Uthini groove kuwe today?
Ngicela ukuthi mangithi sibuda luda. Hayibo, sibusiso.
Welcome to Party Slayers with La Push. It's all about the groove culture, baby. The partying, the dancing, the slaying, the so on. Gisha namakuzumela pagat.
To Party Slayers with La Push. It's a day, everyone. It's all black series. Kune birthday ka Hazel. So we're here with DJ Tabby Tabs. She's from Tembisa. She's been from YFM. Angisazi nakuphi, but what I know that she sings very nice. And akafuni ukucula, by the way. Akafuni, but anyway, it's a story for another day. So here I am with DJ Tabby Tabs. How are you, my sister? As a DJ, how it's been?
How it's been?
Yes.
My entire journey.
Not my that. It's a fast.
Oh, I know. It's up and down. Everything change, evolve. It's a lot of adapting and adjusting.
Okay. So is there anything new that we should be expecting from you? Any songs? Because I know that Munok release a ingoma. I've seen your song in Channel O. I don't remember the name, but I know Gutunengoma on Channel O.
I have songs. I have a lot of songs. Others are released. I dropped Stores of My Friend in April. I'm dropping another single with Sanda Zahuza in July on my birthday. And then it's just more of a sound. I'm trying to move away from the piano. It has served its purpose for me, so I'm just swerving away swiftly to Afro, 3-step, Nekom. I'm using all those three to just create.
Yes, I've seen how you play. Nowadays you play Ikomo and some other music, like some type of old school. Yeah, like why did you choose to go that way?
I think I played piano too much. It started sounding monotonous in my head, so I was not connecting with the music anymore. And then I remembered when my first love to Elekalen was a fusing of genres, which was the Afro, Ikomo, and few other genres that I could medley.
Oh, okay. I've seen on Facebook, on a poster. I'm out posting men asking you out and whatsoever. Are you single? Are you seeing anyone? Like
I'm married to music, guys.
Oh, okay, that's the answer. She is married to the music. I'm here with DJ Tabby Tabs. Please follow her and also follow me on Party Stayers on YouTube. Now go Facebook. I'm Posh and Posh. This is Tabby Tabs. Maybe you want to share that. What's your next gig? Maybe or something.
Yeah, the intention is to go to Durban, but I'm not in a hurry. I'm just threading slowly, working on traction. I'm considering that I've just changed genres, so I'm just working on visibility. So I'm here and then everywhere.
Oh, okay.